Here.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How do you know when you're taping?
Hold on!
Hey.
Hold on! No!
Okay.
The red light's blinking.
Yeah,
Right?
it's recording.
Did
Okay.
you see what she did?
She took part of hers out.
A whole bunch of
Alright.
it made it
There
look
we
like
go.
she was having a lot from the front.
That does not look packed down
No,
like
it's
this.
not.
It's
It's
good.
not.
It's
Okay.
about the same.
There, it's the same.
Alright, now
That
if you
is
have
not-
to spit it
It
out,
is the same,
go
you
to
big
the
whiner.
sink. Go to
If
the
you
sink.
have to spit it out, go to the sink.
Okay, you ready?
1,
And you have to
Yeah.
do it,
These are
Greta.
3 nuts.
2, 3.
Guess what?
You still got yours?
Sound like it.
How do you get on her back?
Oh, he still has it in his mouth. Look at that. Look at Greta's
Because you're
bag.
some kind of freak.
Look at that.
It's most horrible thing. I hate you. You're no longer my.
We just fogged off.
I told them they're going to get the vacuum cleaner out and vacuum the whole kitchen down.
You still have it in your mouth? Jesse's still chewing it. I'm
Look
sorry.
at Jesse.
I'm
Look
sorry.
at
Told you.
I'm sorry.
Please.
Yes, he's
Jesse.
chewing it up.
I think I'm blowing cinnamon.
You have a mess to clean.
That's good.
I still got mine.
Turn around and
Do
see.
you? Oh my God.
Let's see, Jesse. Big.
He said, give him some milk.
Oh my God. I don't know how he can do that.
The secret is to get it wet.
Easy.
The cinnamon
You don't want it to
sugar.
come out your nose
Just
now.
pure cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Make sure I stay away from that stuff.
Did you see it?
Have you seen your back? Look where you've been leaning.
No.
That was from my cloud.
Did you see that?
Oh, there it goes.
Oh. Thanks, Ron. Chicken Carmen.
I did it before.
You did it before.
I was able to keep mine in my mouth.
What did you do
Some
compared to them?
Well, when she started, it started making me laugh. And it
Laugh.
was, it comes out your nose.
And then it's like,
You
She went,
You stole my water.
that's because you wouldn't move over.
He had this mouth on his head. I was doing like this. I was underneath him. I was scratching his leftovers. I was about to get this.
and it's big on this side.
He did. He stole my water.
Cinnamon sounds right.
And the water was hot. Did you notice?
Yeah.
I didn't care
It was
either.
wet.
It didn't matter. The water
It
was
was wet.
hot.
It's all up there.
Oh, I'm going to have to clean my sink and walls too.
I believe it was coming out y'all's ears.
You might want to go to the bathroom. It might have come out somewhere else too.
It's all over your shirt.
It's liquid cinnamon now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sweetest poop in
you
town.
can stop.
Okay. Here, I'll have it.
Oh my gosh.
Right.